Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have Chipotle. Why do we have Chipotle today, my love?
Because it's what?
Fast Food Friday.
Y'all should know that already. You know when the video
FFF.
FFF in the building. You already know.
Yes. So we decided to get Chipotle today because the husband saw something new that was at Chipotle, the quesadillas.
I don't even know what it is.
When we got there, they was acting like, okay, like it ain't that serious.
Exactly, because I'm confused.
It was serious for us.
I don't know, because I'm confused. So I don't know. I don't know what's that, but I'm gonna try it as long as I don't got no pork in here. They said it's new. I don't know what's new about it.
I don't know either.
I don't know either, but we're gonna find out what it tastes.
So I have the chicken and cheese one, and Richie has the shredded beef and cheese one, and then we got a bowl that has rice, beans, chicken, onions, corn, cheese, and then I have some green chili salsa, some sour cream, and then just some extra corn. I love corn.
Don't know what I got over here. I got sweet tomatoes.
Tomatoes, the
Salsa, and what?
sour cream, and then red chili salsa, something like that. And then we have some queso blanca, and then they gave us a free guacamole, so we get some of that. And then I just have a little bit of lettuce on the side. We have a lot of food, guys. And then I have some shells, some tortilla shells. Can't go to Chipotle anymore without those, baby.
All right, go talk.
All right.
Hold on first. Let me see, cause they give us in a little tray.
Yeah, like a little kid's tray.
Welcome to D Block. No, just playing. It's like in school, so I don't know what this, but I don't know what's new about it, but
it's new for us, so who's
I don't know.
You gonna try it? How it tastes?
I'm gonna try it. As long as I don't got pork, I throw it already.
Let me try this one right here, this salsa.
Okay, let me try with some sauce. I don't know. I don't care. I really could eat. Family, I don't know. On Chipotle level, tell me what's new about this.
It does taste good though.
That tastes good. Well, because they toast it and cut it? I don't know. Let us know.
This is basically
Make them one.
when I made tacos
Yeah.
and I made the queso with cheese, quesadillas, that's basically what it is.
Oh, wow. See it? So let me go see what they talking about.
But it is good. But you could put
What?
rice, beans, and all the other stuff, but then it'll be just like this, and we didn't want that. We wanted something a little bit different.
It's falling apart, family. I can't give you none of that. Falling apart.
Okay, this one. Believe it or not, these chili sauce, we've never had it. When we go to Chipotle, we don't put it on
get those
food.
stuff. Y'all do it. Y'all get those. We don't get those stuff. The food. We gotta eat the first time before we give y'all.
It is good.
It's good though. I was so confused. I thought the commercial was wrong. Well, what up?
A guacamole.
What other part?
Anything. Try
What
yourself.
you want? You want to
You want to try? Trade?
Even though you're not gonna eat it, I'm gonna eat it.
This one looks stuffed to capacity.
Which one is Tom?
I got chicken.
The chicken one, but. Family, I don't have a clue, but I'm telling you, it could eat. I won't do it. Like one thing.
It is good. Oh my nose. So you know, what were you gonna say, my love?
No, I'm gonna ask them what's going on the little Friday day.
I was gonna say what they gonna be doing on the weekend. Same thing, huh?
Always. Same thing. Same thing y'all gonna be doing. Catching up on videos. Yes, because y'all got nothing else to do.
Please, family member said, speak for yourself. You know, see,
Watch it, in my cup.
you always dropping stuff in your cup.
Where they gonna go? Where you gonna go?
To dinner?
At home?
You know, see, we go on the road all the time. Why they can't go on the road?
Yeah, they go on the road, but some of them just want to be home on the weekends, you know? Because they work during the week. It's good, family. It's good. I like the one with the chicken. Yeah. It's decent. It's
The
popping.
chicken is good.
Yeah. It's good. And the local.
I haven't gotten to the beef yet.
No cap, I mean, it's good. So, let us know what was missing. Yeah, honey.
Yeah. I wasn't missing anything.
Me either. That was in the commercial.
No, I mean with the sauce.
Oh.
It doesn't make or break my taco.
But it's good though. Yes. I was hungry. You know? You know kind of juicy that way, the melon's fade. Wow, Tom.
Got some of this on here too.
What? Well, say bye-bye to the tray.
Bye-bye to my little friend.
Yeah. Yes, family, I heard. We're gonna be doing same crap. First day you're gonna be home. And I'm gonna be making first day money. You know how it is already.
So I'll put some sauce on the bottom.
Gotta make first day money. You can't say that.
Okay.
This one I want to go to.
Don't take all my cheese, cause I know you're ready.
I don't want no cheese. Just make one of those.
You don't eat all my cheese.
Make one of those things I make right now. I don't want. So you give me all the cheese the rest of them. Just
Honey,
make.
I didn't give you the cheese. You pulled the cheese over there, and it's on camera.
I put the cheese.
Okay.
This one I want to go to.
Don't take all my cheese, cause I know you're ready.
I put the cheese. The cheese is to my
was,
side.
no,
I know.
no, the cheese was right, just like this. And
So
you
how
pulled it.
I supposed to take the rice out then?
All right. Make sure you watch yourself.
That's what I like when I have my own side, you know.
No, that's why you need to pay attention. But I give you all the
Family,
cheese.
see that? I like when I have my own side.
It's right on camera, so you can't tell lie. Come on, say you love lie. But you can't lie, you see? No, this
Sure,
one.
Put all the cheese on my side. You look like and them cheese like that.
I did not put the cheese on your side. You pulled it on your side. You heard what I said?
Right.
Okay.
Yes, boss.
You pissed me off right on the camera.
You know I got the grace to win the race, and if you don't come in first place, you know it's a mistake. So here we go. It's almost done. Grace, you playing around? Oh my goodness.
Sorry.
So you never want to give me anything, no, are you?
Because it's a man. Fix it. Look at see, I'm fixing the taco for you.
So she never want to give me no.
Sure.
Grace got to always win the race.
Okay. Gotta take all the cheese.
Not my friend?
Cute man, you cute. Looking bushy.
Sometimes.
You're not gonna lie.
Family,
Wow.
don't forget, if you want to send something to the greedy couple, aka First Lady, P.O Box is in the description. A waist size small shirt and a waist size 30 pants, skinny. So, up to you on that word on camera, give your outfit of the day. We appreciate y'all. Later on, I got a surprise for y'all.
What?
Don't worry, I got a surprise for them. You don't know neither. Let's chill.
What? Look at my lettuce.
Family, I ain't gonna lie. I'm hungry. You talk. You ain't done your boy, you done the tree yet?
Yeah. The chicken one is better.
I like chicken one too.
The beef one is
I like the chicken one.
too much.
Honey. I like the chicken.
My neck hurts.
Now go see that chiropractor, girl.
Soon. I mean, you're right. It tastes good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm just struggling to get over there.
You just want to take all the cheese.
Take cheese. I want cheese on my side.
Since last week had that. And I take this.
I'm pop myself because I like having my own side. Yeah.
No, you need to stop on my side.
I know why you put all the food over that side.
I put it in the middle.
Yes, I'm putting barbecue sauce too. So what?
I said I'm on a 9.
I do it all the time. Let me enjoy. That's what I do. Grace
Some more
again. No more corn. I'm gonna think about you. Family. Thank you again. We appreciate those birthday wishes.
Thank you so much.
First day, your speeches. First look at you and cry. Wow, too much money.
My birthday was on the 21st of February. But you guys know that for my actual birthday, I didn't feel good. So we should postpone the surprise. And that's why the video came out so late. After my birthday.
All good.
Because there's nothing worse than going to a restaurant or somewhere and you don't feel good and you can't enjoy it.
Yeah.
And I didn't want that.
Yep. So I had to postpone, but I came through though. Appreciate that. You know? Sometimes when women talk, they think they say significant other don't listen. Everything first they say, and say whatever, I listen, but I act like I don't hear.
Yeah?
You know what I'm saying?
So I know your secret, now you bust a secret.
I play dumb. So, guys out there, listen. Ain't no guys watching it anyway. Ain't no guys watch. Because I'm here now. No guys watching again.
You run them off.
No guys watching no more. I'm here. But yeah. That was something like, you know. And she had more gifts. Well, first they didn't want to show nothing, so we were going to keep it like that. See, she ain't one thing. But we appreciate all of y'all.
It's too much.
Yeah. I appreciate all of y'all.
It tastes good, but I like the chicken one better.
And family, if you have any question, anything you want to highlight us about, hit us up on the Instagram. Don't be afraid, or email.
Email.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
And our email information is in the description box.
Yes. Hit us up. You know what I mean?
If you need advice, trust me, everyone has a past, but everyone has a future, right? So, a lot of people, they think that we haven't been through stuff. A lot of people, they think that we haven't been through stuff. Oh yeah, we've been through some stuff.
Yep.
By ourselves and as a couple. So.
Yeah. So just holler at us, you know? We'll get back to y'all. And if you want us to talk about the situation on the camera, we'll, but we won't say no name.
Yeah. That's true.
Let us know.
You're welcome, my love. Thank you.
You're welcome. Yep. Don't be afraid, we family. You know what I'm saying?
And one thing we don't do over here, at the greedy couple, we don't judge.
Everybody been there.
Everybody has gone through something, been there, done that.
First lady,
What?
why you ain't say they? I know y'all enjoying that stimmy right there. Yes. Y'all talking.
Y'all got your stimmy?
Y'all talking. See, that's why y'all so happy today. It's not because of us, you know. I figured it out now. I'm like, why they so happy?
Y'all got that stimmy.
Why Pastor Jen say nothing about the stimming? Yeah, we got the stimming. And I know y'all did too. Enjoy it, because we deserve it. Yeah.
Yeah,
I figured something was wrong. They too happy.
I'm happy.
Okay?
I love the cheese.
Stimmy in the building. You can have my cheese.
I have a lot of cheese, baby. And I like cheese.
We need like. What does guacamole do?
No, you can probably put it on top of your
Family, what's the purpose of this thing, guacamole?
You dip it. You use a chip.
I eat avocado every time, so I don't need no guacamole.
Hey, it was free, so
Can't be free.
can't leave stuff alone. And so if something is free, you gotta take it.
Free for me.
That is.
Make it a taco sandwich.
And the quiero Taco Bell.
Hope everybody having a blessed day. We see everybody comment. You just smile. Appreciate that. Love to interact. Family, when I'm eating, I say all kind of food and stuff. Y'all should know that. Everybody.
And they said that's the best part. When you talk foolishness.
Well, you know I'm enjoying my food then.
Yeah, man. They said that's the best part. He said, yo, Pastor Richard talking foolishness is the best part.
Enjoy my food, B. I ain't lying. Love my food. Yeah. Look at me. I'm putting on weight. I'm getting muscles now. I've been working out. I really about time first.
What?
Let me try with the wild real quick. Okay. I like when the chicken or whatever we eating have a little grill to it.
Yeah.
Grill taste. I like it.
I like that too.
Family. First lady. Hear this one. Family. Be who you want to be, not what others want you to be. Y'all hear me?
Yeah.
Did you hear that? Be who you want to be, not what others want you to be. Be yourself. You know what I'm saying?
Sorry.
You know what I'm saying? If you're faking it, you gotta fake it all the way.
Forever.
And it's hard to fake it. So be real and keep on doing the real deal.
I agree.
For real. It's hard to fake. If y'all can relate with that, let me know. Just be yourself.
It is hard.
Yep. Very hard.
So let me tell you guys, we eat what we want to eat. We do a trend here and there. But we gotta enjoy our food. We can't spend our money buying food that we really don't like.
Exactly.
Because first of all, you guys gonna tell like, oh, they didn't really like that food.
Cause y'all nosy.
We're making a whole bunch of
But we like that. We like the nosy family members. Okay? That means y'all paying attention. You know what I'm saying? So look, we made a mistake and y'all put us on.
Thank you guys.
Yes? Talk to them first, lady.
For real, you guys didn't say, oh, good video.
Exactly.
And then
I'm here watching.
talk about us and say, oh, they put the wrong video up.
Yeah.
Immediately,
Exactly.
you guys was like, what's going on?
Yep.
That video is old. Where's a new video? They was, funny,
There was.
they was kind of mad because they probably saying, you got us messed up.
Exactly.
We want to see no old video.
Yeah.
If we want to go back and watch your old video, we will. But you're not going to force us to watch your old video.
Yeah,
We want to see
exactly.
a new video.
Exactly. Appreciate every one of y'all. Y'all pointing it out, you know? It gets like that sometimes. I don't want cheese. You know? It gets like that sometimes, family, but we appreciate y'all for, you know what I mean? Holding us down, let us know.
Yeah. You guys didn't let us sit there and look like foo-foo.
That's how we rock with y'all.
You guys let us know ASAP.
Yep.
Right away. Hey, That's the wrong video.
What's going on?
That video is old. What y'all doing?
What y'all doing for
We
real?
don't want to see that.
But yeah, but they still enjoy it.
That was nice.
That's good though.
They still watched and still enjoyed, but they was like, this video is old. Get it together.
That.
Yeah, we do appreciate that. You guys looking out for us. Cause trust me, took it down ASAP. Let me tell you something.
I'll be back, family. I'm going for that surprise. I'll be back for y'all. I got on clothes. Yeah.
Where you going? Because, family, I don't know what he getting. Cause I already have all my birthday presents already.
I'm gonna sneak back over. I'm sneaking back over. I'm back with mail. First lady.
Mail.
We got mail. What do you mean by it? You don't? Wait. You don't have a P.O. Box key?
Yeah. I don't
So
check
you
it.
don't check it?
No. You check it.
Well, I check it then.
I know.
Family.
I know you checked it.
I got mail. We got mail. First they don't check it, so it's my mail. So whatever's in there is mine.
Yeah, right.
All right? And this was from Twin Green.
Ooh.
Bless up.
Respect.
Respect and you know
And guidance.
guidance. Yep. Twin Green in the building. You feel me?
Let me see
One of our
this.
family members. I can't make y'all see all the information when you will come sneak up on me. Don't do it. But yeah, we're gonna open this and see what's in this package. It's from Twin Green in the building. Appreciate you. So
I'm
when
excited.
First Lady done eat,
You can open it, honey.
oh, I can open.
Yeah, man.
You wanna help me? To
Yeah,
the
yeah,
greedy
man.
couple from Twin Green. Yes, I like that. Make sure, you know.
So what's a monkey chat?
Are your mouth or mine? You chat too much, my you would.
Can I have a kiss?
No, we can't chat. Alright, fam, let's go. Let's see what's going up in this. First, they don't like check P.O. Box. I go check it. You know what I'm saying?
Listen to me.
I go check. So I ain't
check
check.
it.
So now I know me checking often now because I know my shirt size and my pant size. So don't delay. You know what I'm saying? It's don't push, make a line. It's a room for everybody. You know what I'm saying? What's my size again? I want you to comment down what I say. Because I'm looking forward for something. Okay. Hold on, let me look it up. Let me see. So you know me. I'm extra, son.
When somebody double wraps and triple wrap,
You already know what time it is, B. You know.
they don't want nobody to get into it.
Nobody gets this. All right. I'm gonna take my time like I open a Christmas gift. First, lady, help me out.
Honey, why can't I help you out? Oh my
First, lady, help
god.
me out, car.
Let me see.
I ain't gonna try to pretty up the thing. Help me out, girl.
Oh my goodness.
Wow, you did that quick. You're a regular opener.
No, you're a man. You guys don't know how to be.
Want me to get the scissors?
No, you guys don't know how to coordinate.
Coordinate. I just tear. Remember tear.
So, honey, you want me to help you or what? You asked me to help you, then you try to come take it from me. Make up your mind, man.
Longer than me. You're taking longer than me.
You can't do it, man. You need the scissors.
Yes, yes. Don't need the scissors because it's tear.
Whoa! Oh, you are getting. Ooh!
Oh, I'm getting brolic, son.
Ooh!
Family, I'm getting brolic.
Hey.
You know, yeah, what's going on? Twin Green. You ain't want nobody get to this.
That's
family.
what I'm saying, not even us. Honey, you don't want to get the scissors.
Let me get the scissors. I'll be
Get the
back.
scissors.
Family, I'm back. Feel me? I gotta get that scissors. All right. Now, oh yes, much easier. Why you tell me to do that long time? Yeah, I'm sitting on tear.
I said, a man can blame everything from me, you see?
That's right.
Yeah.
You're supposed to tell me what to do with it. All right. Damn. Come on. What? Uh-oh.
Hold
Hold
on.
on. Don't do that.
Ooh!
Don't. Hold on.
Oh
Let's
my
see.
gosh, yes.
Guess what?
I'm excited for the straws.
All right. Show them the straws.
Look at that. So let me tell you guys something. I bought some straws like this.
Yeah.
And guess what? I've never seen them again. The kids them took them. So I'm so glad that you got these for us, Twin Green, because trust me, I was gonna go get some more. It's like you was reading my mind. Thank you so much.
We appreciate that. Twin
Yes.
Green, you know? What we got up here now?
Dang, use it.
Zero waste. What's this now?
I'm missing something.
Skinny cup?
Ooh.
Wait. Skinny cup for a skinny person. Let me see
I'm
it.
skinny.
No. It's a cup for me. Pass it.
I'm skinny, Richard.
You see? Twin Green. Which one is that? That's me, right? Oh. Open that, mama. Open that.
Hold on.
Hold on. Oh, wait, I think it's probably for yours, Tom.
Yes. Ooh.
First lady, you know. Look, show them what it says. First lady in the. Yo, wait, now we gotta zoom. Let me turn this. Girl, we gotta get a good one.
You got it? Oh,
we gotta wait first.
Hold up. This way, right?
Yeah.
Hold up.
Hold on.
You guys see that?
First lady in the building.
Oh my God.
Appreciate you, Twin Green.
I love this. This is so
Oh!
Let me see. Let me
Oh!
see. Ooh. That is nice.
You already know. Richie in the building.
Oh my God.
Appreciate you.
Look at that.
So much.
This is
This gonna be, trust me. You know I love my. You know what, Twin Green? My first bottle water.
the cheapest water bottle.
Cheapest water.
You can't even try
Nah,
no more?
cheapest water bottle ain't in this no more. This is what it is.
No, sir.
Appreciate that.
I love this color. Yo, this is nice.
Okay. Twin Green gave me a Crip cup. I'm Crip. Appreciate you though, big boss.
Oh, thank you so
much.
Thank you so much.
So which one of those straws you mine now?
You get straw too?
First lady gave cup to blood. That first lady have merch.
Yo.
This is tough.
I love this. When I saw it in the bag, I was like, this looks like it says First Lady.
Of course, you know, First Lady Twin Green is a boss.
Oh, this is
First Lady have your own cup.
I know, it feels so special.
Oh my God. This is nice. Again,
Thank
Twin
you
Green,
so
we
much.
appreciate it.
Wow.
Family, y'all could do the same. You know, holla at us. But Twin Green,
We love the gifts.
we love the gift.
Love,
Twin
love,
Green
love,
came
love,
through
love.
again. Twin Green, if you don't know, family member, he's the one that gave me the beard gang. He gave me what was the game again?
He gave us a gift
Forks,
card.
the
and he
gift
gave us
card, and the
wooden
forks, and the wooden forks.
And we use
So,
them all the time.
Appreciate you, Twin
my
Green.
gosh.
Thank you again, boss.
This one is, you can have this
This
one.
is nice. And we got the cleaner.
Let me see. Yeah, the one.
Yeah.
Let me see if the one is taller. This one is taller.
Yeah, give me a tall one.
Yeah.
You don't like tall stuff. But yeah, we appreciate you again.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. I keep checking my P.O. box. First lady don't check it. So family member, if you got something you're sending, I will check the P.O. box. First lady don't go do those stuff. Alright? Appreciate y'all for joining us on the show. We just talk about anything. Hope you enjoy the meal. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And if you're new, welcome to the Greedy Couple.
And you guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another what? Mukbang. Bye.
First lady got her own cup. What you feel like?
Yo!
First lady.